Hey, so my name is Deb Seal. I'm here sitting in my bathroom on my tub to give you my honest review of the Sugar Plum Dead Sea Salts by Jordan Essentials. So I love baths. It is one of my self-care activities. It happens regularly throughout the week, and I've always been using Epsom salts for, gosh, it's tried and true. I don't even know how many years now, just to soften the water, soften my skin, just for some relaxation. So I've been using those forever, and then I got this, and I said, oh, let me try this. So this is the Sugar Plum Dead Sea Salts from Jordan Essentials. So let me give you my honest review here. So opened it up. I wish there was smell-o-vision on television. I wish you could smell this on the video. It smells yummy. I'm so happy with the scent. It was great through my entire bath. It smelled so great, but I didn't smell like I just walked out of a mall where they were spritzing me with cologne, right? Like afterwards, it actually left my skin pretty quickly after the bath. The other thing I noticed right away too is, put this here. These are really coarse. They're not fine like Epsom salt. So let me see if I can try to show this here. So if you can see, they're like really coarse. Let me put some more in my hand. So I was concerned, are these gonna be gritty? Are they gonna melt in my bath? Or am I gonna feel like I'm kind of sitting on rocks, right? No, they melted right away. And my water just felt soft and smelled so nice. So I didn't have to worry about that. Then now I worried they're thicker. Am I gonna have any oil or residue? Moving that oil in my hand. Oil or residue on my skin when I got out. Nope, I did not feel anything but just softness when I left. And so I felt nice and clean and soft. The other thing is that my skin feels so amazing today. All over, feels so nice and soft and relaxed. Now, what I understand, and I'm gonna have to look at this because I don't have this part down, but I do know that it has a bunch of minerals in it. My understanding is that the salts come directly from the Dead Sea, and there's 21 minerals that you can't find anywhere else. Magnesium, calcium chloride, potassium, sodium, and bromide. Right? And so these minerals are supposed to really be there to help you with muscle aches, arthritis, some skin conditions like psoriasis, and more. Now, I can't tell you if that happened overnight with me in one bath. I don't know if my aches and pains today were less than they were yesterday, substantially, but they were less. I didn't click as much as I walked. I feel good. What I can tell you is that my skin feels amazing. My bath was amazing. So I definitely now am a believer in these Dead Sea salts, and I will be exchanging these for my Epsom salts moving forward. If you want more information on how to get them, I'm going to put that in the comments, so feel free to take a look. And I hope that you're having a great day.